In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send an email from Gmail from different email addresses. So as you can see, when I compose an email here under the From section, I can click the drop-down menu and I can select my business account, which is my name at mywebsite.com, and I can send from that email address. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First thing you want to do is log in and open up Gmail in your browser, and then go to the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner that says Settings. Once under Settings, you want to go to See All Settings. Under See All Settings, you want to go to Accounts and Import. Now, under Accounts and Import, you're going to see an option that says Send Mail As, and then you're going to see these options here. And then you're going to see a blue linked option that says Add Another Email Address or Add an Email Address. Go ahead and click on that option there. Once you've done that, you're then going to be presented with the information dialog box here. Go ahead and type your first and last name and then whatever the email address that you want to send as right here in the box that says email address. Once you've done that, you have a checkbox that says Treat as an Alias. Really, I would click on the Learn More link here to figure out which setting you want to choose here. So for me, I keep this checked because I want to receive the emails for both addresses in my Gmail inbox. I just want to have the option that I just showed you where I have a drop down to send from either one. That way, when I receive an email to my business email address, I can respond with that email address as this sender. Once you've clicked on the next step option here, this is where the magic happens. You have to configure your mail to be sent through your Gmail inbox. Thus, you have to connect a few different things from the address that you're trying to send from. So first is going to be the SMTP server. Now for me, it is the smtp-mail.outlook.com. But depending on where you're coming from, this can look a lot different. So you need to go to Google and say GoDaddy email SMTP server, and then it'll give you the server and port number because the port number is important. So for me, the port number is 587. For you, it may be one of the other numbers. The username is just going to be the email address that you're wanting to send from. So in my case, my business address, and the password is just the password you use to log into said email address. Now, this is where you can run into some problems. There are certain things that you may have to do on the back end of your email provider. So for me, mine is hosted through GoDaddy where I have my URL. And so my email is hosted through Outlook through GoDaddy. So I had to go to the back-end settings of GoDaddy, go to Manage under my email settings, and enable SMTP. So you may just need to Google Enable SMTP for Yahoo or whatever your email provider is to make sure that is not the problem that you're running into. Once you do that, you put your password here, and then most of the time you'll select this first option here, Secure Connection using TLS, which is what is recommended, and then you click Add Account. It'll take a few seconds, then it'll confirm. It'll send a confirmation email to the sending email that you're trying to add. And once you click that link, you are good to go. Now, when you're composing an email, you should see the option to select the drop-down menu, select that email there. And then when I send this, so I go ahead and send from that new option there, I go ahead and I can look here what this looks like. You can see that this email is from that new email address that I just added. So it's very important you go through the settings, figure out what your SMTP port numbers are, and go from there. If you run into any issues in doing this, feel free to put the comments in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer them if I can. And hopefully this helped. If it did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.